Hello and welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making the featured cocktail for the May 2015 Vinyl Me Please featured album, Sprinter by Torres. It's called a Blackberry Sage Smash and it's a delightful, refreshing cocktail, the perfect cool down for a warm night. Let's begin. Grab a mixing tin and start by adding 4 blackberries, then 6 medium sage leaves, followed by a 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice and a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Now we grab our muddler and smash the ingredients together. Now you don't need to go all Hulk on this, just apply some pressure with a little bit of a twist. Next we add 2 ounces of George Dickel No. 12 whiskey. Now this just happens to be Mackenzie Scott, aka Torres's favorite brand of whiskey. It's actually pretty good. Next we fill our tin with ice cubes, and now we shake. Now we grab an old-fashioned glass and fill it with fresh ice. Next we're gonna double strain our tin by grabbing our strainer and pouring the contents through a mesh strainer over our glass. Lastly, we're gonna garnish our drink by threading a sage leaf through a blackberry. I do this by poking the sage leaf with a toothpick and then pushing the whole thing through the berry. And hold the leaf in place as you pull out. Then we're just gonna take our garnish, just rest it right there. And there you have the Blackberry Sage Smash. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. Okay, that goes down way too easy, I'm telling you. Whoa, okay. Oh, that is so good. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's not too sweet. It's not too strong. The sage isn't overpowering. The berries add a nice color and just a nice flavor overall. It's just a good, well-balanced drink. Well, that is all the time I have for you. I want to thank you guys again for watching. As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.